Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good
Good
morning.
morning,
So,
ma'am.
do you feel today, children, good? Yes. So now we are in new week. Yes, Monday, new, fresh. Today's first period is math for you.
Yes.
So we are going to start the new week with maths. Yes. Okay. So children, this week we have seminar, class test. So prepare well for everything. Okay. So children, we started chapter 2 patterns. Do you remember patterns and different types of patterns? Who can tell me what is patterns? Yes, Anandida.
Patterns are arrangement of designs or figure.
Or
No, I'm calling one by one. It's by I'm calling by name. Okay, Anandida is speaking. So all others mute.
an
Anandida louder.
arrangement of
Hmm.
a object or figure is called patterns.
It's an arrangement of figures or designs in a certain way. It is an arrangement. Okay, Andrea. Andrea Binu, can you tell me what is pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Patterns are arrangement of designs or figure.
In a certain way. Okay, in a certain way. Okay, Stenin, can you tell me which all types of patterns we discussed?
Natural pattern,
Natural patterns.
man-made pattern,
Man-made pattern is also known as artificial.
man-made
Okay.
patterns,
Then,
artificial patterns,
yes, yes.
nature
Stenin is speaking.
pattern,
Stenin is speaking. Yes, Stenin.
number pattern,
Number patterns. Very good. Number pattern we discussed. Finite and
finite pattern, infinite
infinite
pattern.
pattern. Okay. Jovial. Can you tell me what is finite pattern? Finite.
Finite patterns are patterns
Hmm.
with
Infinite,
end after few terms.
Okay. So, Cassina, please mute your audio. I think some network issue also is there. See, someone is speaking, so you have to listen. Okay, you are in 4th standard. You have to know that manners. So, if someone is speaking, you have to listen. Okay, children.
your voice is
So, all others mute
and your voice is
and turn on your camera. So, the patterns that end after a few terms, that are called finite. So children, finite means we can give some condition. For example, we discussed odd numbers less than 20, odd numbers less than 50. That means that 50 is the maximum. We cannot go after that number. That means there is an end. So such patterns are called finite. But Rahul, can you tell me what is infinite? Infinite. Infinite patterns. Rahul.
Patterns that do not end are called infinite patterns.
Where is Rahul? Okay, Adish. So patterns that without end, that is means patterns that is going on, that without any end, that is called infinite pattern. Infinite pattern. So here we will not keep any condition. Write odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. It is going on. There is no end. So such patterns are called infinite patterns. Okay, then children, we discussed the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry, what is that? The line which divides the shape or objects into equal half. Equal means that both the halves exact shape, exact size. Yes, shape and size, all the pattern, everything will be same. So such, if a line dividing like that, that line is called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. And this line of symmetry is also known as, anybody can tell me? The line of symmetry is also known as, yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, symmetric.
Symmetry.
Line of symmetry is also known as?
Symmetrical.
Yes, wait. Andrea, let me see.
Axis of symmetry.
Yes, axis of symmetry. Yes, this line of symmetry is also known as axis of symmetry. And children, this axis of symmetry we discussed vertical and horizontal. So vertical means that vertical line divides the object into equal left and equal right. Yes, equal left and equal right. And if the horizontal line divides the picture into equal top and here bottom part, also they are same size, shape. Yes, so they are exactly, that line will divide the picture exactly into half. Yes, children, so this much we have discussed. Now all of you please take out your workbook, page number 14. Now question number 13 and 14, let me check whether you have completed. Question number 13, it was draw an object with the vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Yes, vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Question number 13. Yes, Meha, let me see. Yesterday I told you to do that. So it is showing horizontal line and vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now, yes, Veda. See, children, you can see, if you have any doubt, check whether you have. Yes, very good. That rectangle you are showing, in that you have showing horizontal but we know that rectangle has both vertical and horizontal, but no problem, you have done one vertical line of symmetry. So if you are doing yes, children, I can see. Amrin, let me see. Picture that is showing vertical line, horizontal line. So you know what is vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, just show all of you. Let me check. Let me see, Alam. Horizontal line and vertical line. See, there are some pictures that have only vertical line and only horizontal. You can do like that also. Draw an object with a horizontal line of symmetry and draw an object with vertical line of symmetry. There are some pictures that have only vertical and only horizontal. Okay, let me see Muhammad Izan. Muhammad, he is showing that B. Let me see. B is having, okay, B, all horizontal line, and here it is vertical line. Okay. So children, yes, number 3. Rehan is showing number 3. Okay, then. So children, you understood what? But when you are drawing, please try to make sure that you are drawing. Yes, Ardra, let me see Ardra. Show me a little more up. Yes. Vertical, horizontal line, vertical line. Okay. Yes, very good. This is having vertical line and horizontal line, the same pictures only. Okay. Yes, Nobin. Yes, vertical line, horizontal line. Okay, so children, you understood what is vertical line and horizontal line. And when you draw, yes, Dave, let me see, Dave. Vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, children, so only you know which is vertical line and which is horizontal, but make sure that when you draw, make sure that it is equally divided using, you can use ruler and do neatly. Okay, now all of you please take out the next question, question number 15. Question number 15. All of you, please take question number 15. We are going to draw line or lines of symmetry through the given shape. Line or lines means we have more than one. More than one. So children, we can see here how we can make lines of symmetry. The line should divide the picture equal halves. Now look here, we have how many corners here? This is a pentagon, five-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, five-sided figure. So children, when you are drawing, draw neatly using ruler and pencil. So when you are drawing, look here children, first one, all of you look here. One I will show you. Question number 1. Children, when you are drawing, make sure that you are drawing neatly. See, from each corner, we are going to draw a line to the opposite side, the middle point of the opposite side. So you have to check whether you are completing, whether you are drawing all. From every corner, we are starting line to the opposite side, and that too in the middle. Try to draw a vertical line to the middle. Okay.
Ma'am, some disturbance.
So I will share all of you disturbance here. Okay, children. So here, this is the middle point. So what I'm going to do here, draw the line. Draw straight line through the corner to the midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint of the opposite side. And here also, you can see here, this from this corner where we will do opposite side, midpoint of the opposite side. And from this corner here, the opposite side. Opposite side. And here this corner we have not done. So what you have to do? Take the middle point, then draw to this side. And here we have not done. So take the middle point. So children, we have 5 corners. And from these 5 corners, you have to take the middle point of the opposite side and join using a straight line. Yes, children? Finished? So how many lines? How many lines? There are 5 corners. From these 5 corners, you have to.
Can you share?
Yes. From these 5 corners, you have to join using a straight line to the middle point of the opposite side. So all these are lines of symmetry. See, children, you have already shown me vertical line of symmetry. For the example, triangle. How you are taking the middle point, opposite side, middle point. So this figure divides this line, vertical line divides equal left and equal right. So when you draw, you have to make sure that you are drawing exactly the half of the picture. And here, if for example, letter D, when you are doing horizontal also, you have to do exact. This is horizontal line, draw equal half. Finished. Okay, Benedict, can you give me question number B, answer for question number B? How many lines will be there?
No lines are there.
No lines? See, if I'm doing like this, look at the left and right. Are they equal? Check.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And
Now you
children,
can do
check.
both
What
also.
about this opposite?
Yes. Yes.
Here
Yes.
it's not exactly the same. You have to draw little more this
Yes.
side. Okay.
Yes.
So we have here also lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry here. See, if you have any doubt, children, you can take like this one circle shape and draw this inside and fold it. Children, if you are getting any confusion, you can take a piece of paper and draw like this and check whether they are exactly the halves. If you fold, you will get clear idea. If you take a piece of paper, then you can see here this figure also. Here in between, we are drawing some. So children, this figure, we have 2 lines here. Okay, next one, question number C. Dave John, question number C.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, there is a line. Ma'am, in the center point.
So in the center, we can make one. That is like horizontal, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal line. Yes. Only horizontal line?
Ma'am, we can draw
Vertical also.
Vertical.
Also. So we can do vertical. Line. Vertical line and horizontal line.
Ma'am, I have network problem.
Network problem. Okay. We are doing question number 15 from page number 14. Workbook page number 14. Now, next to children, look here, question number D. Which line of symmetry?
Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. See here, vertical.
Vertical line.
You have to make exactly half. Okay. Vertical line. See here, we have one shape here on the top. Okay. So if you do horizontal, that 2 portions, they are different. Yes. So we have only vertical. Yes. So you know what is vertical. Okay. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question we can draw slant line, no? From top corner to down corner.
Which question?
D. Ma'am, 15 question D.
D. But here that is we have shape.
Ma'am, can I show? Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Difference in the circle shape on the, so we can do only vertical.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
You want to see the board?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, today's test is the test.
No. We will discuss about the test later. Okay. Now complete this.
And finish.
Finished? All of you completed? Yes.
Next question. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now all of you please take out your rough book. We will do question number 16 later. Now rough book. Let me check whether you have any confusion with the vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry with the some letters. Okay. Okay. Have you taken the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Write these letters.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. You have to write this in the rough book. Kalbi, what is the first word? Kalbi, what's the first word?
Hero.
Hero. And what about the second? Zero. Okay. So here what we are going to do, I will ask one by one. Only that person. Okay, Aiden. Aiden, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So look the letter, first letter. Which is first letter?
H.
H. Can you tell me vertical and horizontal lines? You know vertical line, and horizontal line. You have to tell me which are lines possible here. Horizontal line like, okay. For question number H.
Ma'am, vertical line and horizontal.
Okay, so I will do vertical line. See, look here, the equal left side and right side, they are equal. And horizontal also. Here also horizontal. Look here, the shapes equal top and equal bottom. So very good. So letter H, we have both horizontal and vertical line.
Vertical.
Very good. Okay, understood. So for H, horizontal and vertical. Okay, now Anna Rose, can you tell me letter E? Letter E.
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Can we
Yes,
draw
very good.
this?
Only
Ma'am.
horizontal. Only horizontal. Can we do here vertical line? Vertical
Ma'am,
line. Look here. When you do, it's not same shape and size. Someone is calling. Who is that?
Ma'am Andrea.
Yes, Andrea.
We want to draw vertical line and horizontal line also.
Where?
In rough book. Rough book.
Here this for this letter hero and zero. So one person they are saying no. So you have to write that. Okay. I'm calling children. They are saying the answer. You have to do alone and check whether when someone is answering, you can check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Ishan, next one. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Letter R. Tell me which type of line of symmetry is possible.
It's asymmetrical.
Huh? Letter
Asymmetrical.
R. Letter R.
Ma'am, we can do not do anything.
Huh?
And we can
No.
we can do
Everyone is saying
any
together.
line.
No. And you mute your audio. I have called Ishan.
Vertical line. We can
Ryan, all of you.
symmetry.
Yes, Ishan.
And we cannot.
Very good. We cannot draw. Very good. See, I'm calling by person name. You have to listen. If everyone say together, we cannot understand. That's why. Okay, children. Yes, Ishan. Very good. See, if I do vertical line, what is this shape? Are they same, equal left and right? No. And what about R? If you do like this or horizontal, are the same, equal top and bottom? They are different. Very good, Ishan. So that means this is asymmetrical shape. What is this? Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical shapes. Okay, very good. Now, next, Veda, letter O.
Vertical line.
Good. Vertical and horizontal. See, children, here also we can do the same. For hero, here, zero also we have. Huh?
Can I leave?
What
There
happened?
is raining.
Raining.
Yes.
Yeah, you are outside.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Inside your house, it's not possible to get the range.
Ma'am, that's Wi-Fi, but current is go.
Okay, okay. Okay, Veda. Okay, now who can tell me next to letter Z? Who can tell me? Z. Yes, Aradhya. Letter Z.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
horizontal.
Check here. If you do horizontal, children, what is the shape on the top and what is the shape on the bottom?
Ma'am?
Are they equal?
No.
No. And when you,
We can do
and here if you do vertical,
asymmetrical.
asymmetrical. So Z also asymmetrical. And what about E? We have done already be up. So that is horizontal, and we cannot draw here for R because that is also asymmetrical. And O we have both vertical and horizontal because we have already done here this year. Okay. So hero, hero and zero. So we are learning children's symmetry, symmetrical line, axis of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. That's why we discussed this word, but I want to say something more about this hero and zero. See, only one letter is different. What is the letter different? What is the letter different here?
H and Z.
H and
H and Z. Here,
H and Z.
these three words are same. Three letters are same. So, children, somebody was asking me about the test. So that test is tomorrow. Okay. And if you study well in math, you will become, if you study well in math, you will become, can you tell me?
Wise man.
Look, read the first word.
Hero.
Hero. Okay.
Hero.
Hero. If you know maths, children, you are what?
Hero.
Zero.
Say louder.
Zero.
Somebody said zero. If you study well,
Hero.
and if you don't study well, what will happen? You become zero. Okay, so children, only one letter is different, H and Z. So tomorrow you have exam on chapter 1. We have 1.1 and 1.2. So MCQ Google form I told yesterday, and if anyone was not able to attend yesterday's class, I'm repeating this again. So when is your exam? Evening. Google form, MCQ, study well. And you have
And there is written exam.
that later we can discuss. Okay. Tomorrow we have only MCQ. Okay. Tomorrow we have only MCQ, and that is in the Google form in the evening. So children, I want to see all your notebooks, whether it is completed. You have to study the definitions from the notebook and study the workbook. Yes. And yesterday's
And
class,
should we learn
you were not able to complete. Just show me. I will see. I don't want to spotlight. Yes, Neha. Study only workbook and notebook. Okay. Yes. Children, those who are not showing me, please try to show. Jasa, Ardra, notebook. Chapter 1 shapes. Very good. I can see children. And children, yes. Nobini is showing me all the pages. Very good. Yes, Dave, Meha, Anandita, I can see all of you. Kalbi and Muhammad Uzan, Benedict, Mia, Sherin. What about these children? Bhagya, Shasa, Shefa, I cannot see your video. Where is the book? Notebook? Show me. Yes, Andrea, Anna.
I'm taking the book.
Taking the book. Okay. Okay, children. And you had to study from the workbook also. Chapter 2 patterns, children, if anyone was not able to complete, you have to complete it today itself. Very good, children. Keep it on.
Ma'am, in tomorrow's test we should study the definitions too.
Yes. Study the definitions, but you don't want to write the definition. You have to understand and write the MCQ question.
Ma'am.
You have to understand and study the MCQ questions. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow you have to study the notebook, all the definitions, and workbook, all the MCQ questions. And we have tomorrow only MCQs. Yes? Is that clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now only chapter 1. 1.1 and 1.2, circle and its parts, and reflection and symmetry. And I want all the children to be heroes, not zeros. Okay? Heroes only, not zeros. Understood? Okay, now children, I want to talk about the seminar. Seminar, children, it's 4C. Yes, children, you have to tell me your topic now. Okay, Aiden, keep the notebook there. If anyone not able to complete before the exam. Abdiel, have you checked the topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abdiel?
Ma'am, can I take drawing a circle?
Drawing a circle. Okay, Abdiel will teach you how to draw a circle. Okay. Now, what about Raihan? Raihan? Yes, Raihan. What you are going to do? Seminar topic.
Video.
About what? Topic. Tell me the topic. Huh?
Math. Diameter, what is diameter and pattern and circle? How to draw circle?
Rehan, it's not clear for me. Can you say again? Topic, chapter 1 topics, no? You have to tell me the topic which you are going to present in the seminar.
Can we make a presentation PowerPoint?
Yes, you can do anything. Video, presentation, show. You can teach anyway. Okay, Rehan, yes.
Google way.
1 minute. Rehan? It's not audible, children. Can you hear what he is speaking?
No.
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 No, ma'am. I am.
Yes, Rehan?
What is circle and how to draw circle? What is diameter and pattern?
See, draw circle, Abdiel will do. You can say the diameter, all other parts you can do. Yes. Because no, means same, we have studied gap and overlap. So no overlap. Same children, same topic, same topics, no need. Okay, Tejasri, can you tell me? Topics? Rahul, mute your audio. Rahul, mute your audio. Yes,
Ma'am,
Tejasri.
Periodic tiling and tessellation.
Tessellation and periodic tiling. Okay. Periodic tiling, tessellation. Okay. Then what about Cassina? She was there, no? Cassina was here. She's not there.
Absent.
Network problem that time.
Ma'am,
She has issue.
Network issue. Okay. So what will happen if I don't know during our... So this, when is our seminar, children seminar?
Friday.
Next Friday. So you can choose any method of teaching. You can ask your friends, you can do test, whatever you want, no problem.
Ma'am, can we test in Google form?
Yes. You know how to make Google form test, Abdiel?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Okay. Yes, Rehan. Yes, Rehan. I can hear you. Okay. So only Cassina, I didn't get the topic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell how to make Google form test?
No need Google form test. You can just simply ask. Okay. Google form test, you have to do some more things. If he knows, only he can do. Otherwise, you can just ask directly to your friends. After teaching, you are just checking whether your friends are able to follow your class or they understood something. Only for that, you can ask or oral question, written question, anything, no problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, we will take the attendance now. Okay, children. So study well for tomorrow's exam. Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.